Hi, so I'm guessing if you're watching this, then you're interested in IMAX, so let me tell you a little bit about my experience. So I took the mathematics enrichment program from 1st through 5th grade and completed it. And this led me to place into IMAX's University Computer Science courses, which I completed in middle school alongside EMF, which are topics that usually wouldn't be covered until well into college. In high school, I was able to take UF's calculus sequence ending in junior years. And then I was also able to take their programming fundamentals courses. Yeah, so IMAX just set me up in a place where I was able to do really well in these courses because I had such a strong foundation for logic for how math and computer science work. I was able, with the help of IMAX founder Terry Kaufman, to get a research position at UF and become their first dual enrollment student to do so. I kind of hope to get this degree in mathematics and computer science that lets me develop theory. And honestly, I wouldn't probably be doing any of that without just the foundation and love of logic that IMAX gave me.